So, what's up, guys? So, here we are in the second week of building my AI automation agency. So let's go through what I did this week. What went good and bad. So on Monday, what I did was I set up my freelancer.com profile because my Upwork profile was suspended and I was not able to get it back. However, I didn't use Freelancer right now because I really don't like the platform. So I decided to stick with LinkedIn, and I'm gonna talk about it in a few minutes. So as always, every day I join and I engage in the school community. So I answer posts, I comments. Sometimes I post about a topic to kind of make my place as an authority in the group. So obviously, this is more like a long-term play that I'm doing in school, like mid-term, mid-long-term play in the school group. It went kind of good because I got some question from people. So now I start to understand how to position my post and how to structure them in a way that don't look like I'm trying to sell to anyone. And really, like, when people reach out, I always give as much value as I can. I don't hide anything and I don't ask for anything in return because I really want to build that authority and that relationship in each group. So when people will need my help, they're gonna come to me first, and then I'm gonna hopefully be able to take advantage of it. So that's that. And on day nine, I did three LinkedIn applications. So when I say application, is like go on one specific profile and I do a long video with an automation that I think that can help them, and I send them the long video with again just full value and no strings attached to it, so they are more likely to see the long video at least. So in the first 2 days, that's what I did, but I didn't have any. I know it's not a lot of volume, but it's take a long time because I have to go through each profile, see their website, look at their information, and try to come up with an automation that can help them. So obviously, it's really tedious and really long to do that. So just to give you uh, a reference, one LinkedIn app is taking me maybe 10 to 15 minutes to do, and it's just not scalable, and I didn't have any response. I know it's not a lot, only six, but it can give you an idea, and I found a better way to have one response that I'm gonna share with you today. So as always, I engage in a school group also, and I took one make.com tutorial because as I'm doing that, I'm still learning, even though I'm more focused on getting people. My goal is really to have as much people on calls as possible to really try to understand the market and try to come up with a solution that will serve the people. I'm not just trying to build any random automation that nobody wants. So that's why in day 11, what I did is I did 35 cold DMs on LinkedIn. So basically, what I did, I took one big problem that a lot of people are facing with, and I just make a simple automation, and I recorded a long video to walk through uh, the automation, and I just copy and paste that message to a lot of people that will possibly benefit from that. And so in the first day, what I did is just I was on LinkedIn and I just search manually, and so that didn't work well, but later I found a way that I'm gonna show you. Then on day 12, I built a simple website, so I'm gonna show you the website. Obviously, the website is really like basics, is really just to say that I have a website, but it's really ugly. But I don't really need that, to be honest. So let's see. This is the website, like really simple, just with some, like it was made with Webflow, and I used the AI and I just remove everything, and so the call to action it just redirect to a Calendly to book a call. So really nothing fancy, nothing crazy. It's just to start. And so yeah, I did that. I did 20 LinkedIn cold DMs on day 12, and on day 13 I made 50. And so what I did, and I got some response. I got from reaching out to around 100 people, I got maybe 20 response, but most of them were they're not interested. So I need to work on my approach, and maybe the offer is not strong enough. But some people were interested, and the way that I got a response is really because on LinkedIn here, I got a message from LinkedIn, like an automation. And so here, that's first I used search for leads. It didn't really work, but when I used find a form path, basically when you select this, you're gonna have some filter that they're gonna set for you, and basically they're gonna set it as a way to they're gonna see basically uh, in your connection who are the third and the second connection of your connection. So basically you're gonna reach out to some people that you are not connected with on LinkedIn, but you have a mutual connection, so they are more likely to answer, and that's what happened for me. I got maybe 3 or 4 positive response. Positive, like people were took a look at it, and they didn't they did not yet show any interest, but that's a good sign, and I'm gonna continue to do that for the next week. And so now I craft yesterday some offer that I'm gonna test next week for my cold email campaign. And yeah, that's basically that. And today I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna engage again on school. Record the YouTube recap as I'm doing right now. I'm gonna send again code DMs on LinkedIn. And yeah, that's pretty much for this week. And I'm gonna I'm gonna keep with the cold DMs because that's what I think I can land at least one meeting or two next week if I just put in more volume. And yeah, we're gonna see in the next recap. Take care.